Hello friends, welcome to MySQL session. In this session, we are going to see how we can use concatenation and how we can use substring in our MySQL database. So let's start with concatenation. So what is concatenation? Like, so in concatenation, if we have multiple keywords within a string with different, let's say, separator using comma or any pipe symbol or anything, you can combine into one complete string. So how you can do that? To use the concatenation, you have to use the word concat. So select, then I'm using concat and what keyword you wanted to combine. So let's say I'm combining the keyword big data testing. So in a single code, I have three words: big, comma, again in simple, again in single quote, data, then I have testing. So I have three different words like big data testing, but they are separate. So now I wanted to combine all these three words. So I can do this using the concat keyword. So let me use enter here and see the result. It will combine all the words into one complete string. So now you can see it has displayed big data testing in one string. It has concat, big data and testing. So this is how you can concat any of your string into one complete single word. So what is concatenation? We can use a multiple words in complete single character. We can use any word, like if we have two words, let's say I have big testing, so I can combine using this using the same concat word. In a concatenation, we have a limitation, like if we have any word as null, then it will display all the words as null, like it will not return any string. So let's see how we can do this. So let's say I have big data testing and instead of data I'm putting null keyword and it is not inside single quote. Otherwise it will treat it as a string. So I'm putting null without the single quote. So now if I concat this string, then it will give me a null word. So now you can see it is concatenating, it is completed the concatenation, but it is displaying the word as null. So there is a limitation in concatenation, or this is a feature you can say, like if you have any keyword as null in the string, then it will display as null. So this is how you can use the concatenation in your MySQL table. So let's use a substring, how we can use the substring in MySQL table. To use the substring, we have a keyword as substring. So let's use select and I am using substring is the keyword, like substring, and in a single quote we have to define what string you want into substring mode. So let's say I'm using big data testing and the second argument you have to define, like from which character you wanted your output. So let's say I wanted from fifth. So it will start from the fifth character. I'm closing my braces, semicolon, and I'm putting enter. So now you can see it has started from fifth character like ATATESTING. So it is starting the string from fifth character. So if you wanted to use a substring, let's say for any table record where you wanted to fetch a record from certain point of your complete word, then you can use substring. So let's use another example of substring. If I wanted, let's say 5 comma 7. So what does this mean? It means like it will start from fifth character and it will read 7 complete character after the 5. Like it will start from the 5 and it will read 7 characters. So if I put from So if I put enter from here, then it will start from the fifth character, that is A, and it will count till T. Like it will complete the 7 characters. So let me put enter. So now you can see it has started from A and it has completed till T, and it reads 7 characters. So this is how you can give your condition to your string, how many characters you wanted to read from a string. We can also take an example of substring where if you want to read a character from a particular word, like any particular word, then you can start from there. Like I have substring and big data testing is my string, but I wanted to read only, let's say, 4 characters from complete. Like I wanted to read from fifth character. So it is similar to the first one where we have read all the characters, like in the comma 5 we have read from the fifth character, but all one, like it has started from the fifth character, but here I am starting from 5. So let me put enter, and now you can see it is similar to that, like it has started from fifth character and display all rest of the character from the string. So let's take another example of substring where, let's say, I wanted from last 3 characters. So how we can find a last 3 character from a given string? So to find the last 3 string, the command is same like select substring, then the string you have, but you have to use comma, then because you wanted to use last 3 characters, so the command is -3. So -3 will give you the last 3 characters of this string. So let me put enter. Now you can see it is displaying ing. So this is how you can take an example, like if you wanted to find starting value of your string, if you want your last character of your string, you can find that. In a similar manner, you can find your last 3 characters, or you can say last 3 characters I want, but I want to read last 3 characters starting from till the 5 character mode. So let me put an example over here, like I'm putting -3, then let's say I'm putting -5, like 5. So it will start from last 3 characters and it will read the 5 character from there onwards. So let me put enter. Now you can see it is displaying last three characters of that, but because I have given 5 after that, because I have given minus 3 before, that's why it is not going to take any character from minus 3 because 5 is greater than. So to view this example, let me put minus 5 and let me put minus 5 and after that I am putting 2 characters, let's say. So it will read the last 5 character and from that it will print 2 characters. So this will give you the idea if you want to print the last 2 string from your 5 string, from the string where it completed. So it is reading 5 characters like string, but I am only displaying 2 characters. So that's why it is displaying S and T, because S and T is the fourth and fifth character. So that's why I am saying 2 characters from last 5 words, last 5 characters you can say. So this is how we have, or you can say we can find our last word from the beginning, from the end, from the string using the substring keyword. So in this session, we have seen how we can use the concatenation using the concat keyword and how we can use the substring and find our string or word from a given complete sentence. Thanks for watching this session.